Little storyteller.
Toby was a little boy with bright, curious eyes and a smile as sunny as a summer day. One warm morning, his grandpa, a kind man with a gentle voice and hands that smelled of earth, gave Toby a small green plant in a little brown pot. "Toby," Grandpa said, "this is a special tomato plant just for you. It's your job to take care of it." Toby looked at the plant. It had small green leaves and a tiny stem. He carefully carried it to a sunny spot in the garden, right next to a big, buzzing sunflower. Every day, Toby remembered to water his tomato plant with his little blue watering can. The water looked like sparkling diamonds as it poured onto the soil. Sometimes little weeds would pop up in the pot. Toby remembered what Grandpa told him. Weeds take food and water away from your plant. So, with his small hands, Toby gently pulled out the weeds, being careful not to hurt his little tomato plant. A fluffy white bunny, with twitching pink nose, watched him from nearby, nibbling on a clover. Days turned into weeks, and Toby kept taking good care of his plant. He watered it, he weeded it, and he even talked to it sometimes, telling it about his day. Slowly the little plant grew taller and stronger. Then, one sunny morning, Toby saw something new. Tiny yellow flowers had bloomed on his tomato plant. They looked like little stars. A busy bumblebee, with fuzzy black and yellow stripes, buzzed around the flowers, collecting nectar. Toby continued his careful tending. The yellow flowers slowly disappeared, and in their place, tiny green balls began to grow. Toby was so excited, he watched them every day, wondering when they would turn red. One bright morning, he ran to his tomato plant and gasped. There, hanging from a branch, was a big, round, bright red tomato. It looked shiny and delicious. Toby carefully picked the ripe tomato. It felt smooth and cool in his hand. He ran to show Grandpa. Grandpa smiled. "See, Toby, because you took such good care of your plant, it gave you this wonderful gift." Toby washed the tomato and took a big bite. It was the most delicious tomato he had ever tasted. It was sweet and juicy, and the taste of sunshine seemed to burst in his mouth. Toby felt happy and proud. He learned that when you take good care of something, like his little tomato plant, it can grow and give you something wonderful in return, just like being kind to a friend can make them smile.
Please subscribe. Thank you.